Come to my birthday party. When is it? Where is it? How will I get there? Without adverbs, you'll miss the party. What is an adverb? One or more words that tell where, when, why, and how about an action verb. Huh? What does that mean? Bob plays. Bob is the noun subject, plays is the action. Where does Bob play? When does Bob play? Why does Bob play? How does Bob play? Bob plays outside. Bob plays after school ends. Bob plays to improve his skills. Bob plays with his teammates. Now we know where, when, why, and how Bob is playing. Where is he playing? Outside. When is he playing? After school ends. Why is he playing? To improve his skills. How is he playing? With his teammates. Bob plays outside after school ends to improve his skills with his teammates. Adverbs can change positions without changing the meaning of the sentence. To improve his skills with his teammates, Bob plays outside after school ends. After school ends, Bob plays outside to improve his skills with his teammates. After we've chosen our positions, we add punctuation. Add a comma before the noun subject and a period at the end of the sentence. Adverbs organize action verbs by telling where, when, why, or how about the verb. Type, size, and placement may vary. Jill skates. Jill is the noun subject, skates is the action. Where does Jill skate? When does Jill skate? Why does Jill skate? How does Jill skate? Jill skates at the rink. Jill skates before school starts. Jill skates to practice her routine. Jill skates regularly. Now we know where, when, why, and how Jill skates. Where does she skate? At the rink. When does she skate? Before school starts. Why does she skate? To practice her routine. How does she skate? Regularly. Jill skates at the rink before school starts to practice her routine regularly. At the rink before school starts, Jill skates to practice her routine regularly. At the rink before school starts, Jill skates regularly to practice her routine. After we've chosen our positions, we add punctuation. Add a comma before the noun subject and a period at the end of the sentence. Adverbs organize action verbs by telling where, when, why, or how about the verb. Type, size, and placement may vary.